Okay, so we gotta talk about this. This thing is huge. This thing is massive. But if you are into camping, hiking, fishing, the outdoors, and if you like always have to, you want to always have like a power on the go and a source of power. This solar panel, this, hear me out, 600 watts solar power that this brand sent to me for this video. It is just fantastic. Not only because it's super easy to use, but it's also waterproof, and it comes with this case, which, by the way, it's a heavy thing. It's a heavy unit, but it actually translates into good quality. To use it, well, I'm gonna just take you in a close-up in a few seconds, but just to use it, press right here. You're gonna find the pressing. Once that you press properly, not just like this, you're gonna find the pressing. You release one, you release the other one. Just make sure that you have all the cables over here, because it comes with every single cable you need. And then this thing is just, I can't believe how big this thing is. So what you're gonna find is one of the panels is gonna be right over here. Let me actually unfold it. My God, it's so heavy. But again, that translates into good quality. Being heavy means that it's powerful. And then the other one just keeps going, it keeps unfolding. This thing is so massive. Let's take a bigger look. Check this out. This is so big. But this one can give you juice for like your phone, your tablets, your laptop, small appliances. If you want to boil some water, for example, or something like that, you can do it with this one. It is so big, but so convenient to have. Let's take not a closer look, but I do want to show you some of the. So the first thing you gotta do, as I was just telling you before, is make sure that you have access to the cable over here, which is gonna be the cable that is actually connected to the solar panels. And by the way, this is a fully IP67 waterproof solar panel, so you can leave it outside if you need. I don't know why I keep putting this once. I tried it twice already for 2 consecutive days, and both days I put this ones over here for the cables, knowing that I had to use it again. But anyways, so you do this, you get the cable out, and then you can unfold it back again, so you can see that it's having sun UV light just in a partial way, not in all of it, but that's actually enough. And then once you connect this ones over here with the cable that is provided to you, you can see how many type of connectors you have. So in this case, we're going to use this one, which is this yellow one that you can see over here. We're going to connect this one to my power station, and we're going to power my power station with solar power, which I think, again, that's the most perfect thing to do if you're taking this one with you to camping, hiking, fishing, like a road trip or something like that. Because with a power station, you can power it up and you can charge so many other devices. But by the way, it also comes in case that you want to hang it. It comes with this 4 clips over here, so you can hang it from, like for example, for the top of your RV or like a wall or something like that. And also comes with all these connectors over here for multiple other devices and AC outlets that you can do. So I don't recommend putting something this heavy on top of the solar panel. But again, these are so heavy duty that this won't break easily. So don't worry about that. But my recommendation is not to do it. So we're going to use this yellow one. I'm going to connect it right here on the back of my power station. And then, surprise, surprise, you can see the green light is flashing, meaning that it is charging, which I think it is so cool. Again, one more time, you have the 600 super heavy duty, waterproof, extra big foldable solar panel that you have so many connectors and so many type of cables for you to help you with that, let's say, your camping trip, your road trip, or taking it to the beach, or just taking it to friends and family, or just having it in case that something is happening. With this solar panel, you can keep it outdoors. You can keep it actually in your rooftop if you want. You can keep it outside, hanging from whatever place you want, and you can keep charging multiple power stations. You can keep charging devices. The only thing that I think it's missing is like USB-C port cables, but I get it because this is too powerful to actually feed things like, for example, laptops or phones directly from the solar panel. So that's why you have to bypass it with a power station, for example. But then you can just keep charging your power stations and have them just in case that something happens. This thing is just fantastic. Super big, super reliable, convenient to have 600 watts of power, waterproof, and foldable. What else do you need to make your camping or road trip perfect more than this? I love it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.